Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining the essentials with action. Install Node, JS, and then npm install Lighthouse so the CLI is ready. Once done, run a first audit against a live URL, lighthouse https://example, com output HTML output path, /report. HTML to produce a report you can open immediately. This gives you baseline scores and concrete audit failures. Do this now. It avoids guessing later and creates the artifact you will use to prioritize fixes and measure progress. Once you have a report, you move into triage and detailed execution. Run targeted audits with preset =perf and set emulated form factor to mobile or desktop to reflect real users. Make sure to control throttling, use built-in emulation for realistic lab data, or disable throttling for deterministic local tests. You should also test both a cold and warm cache scenario to see variance. These choices explain why issues appear and let you reproduce problems reliably before changing code. You now implement fixes. Start with the top 3 issues that give the biggest score boost for least work, then rerun Lighthouse to verify gains and detect unintended regressions. Once retested, commit changes and add Lighthouse to CI so future runs flag regressions automatically. If results differ wildly, use the troubleshooting trick. Clear the browser cache, run in incognito, or execute the CLI on a clean CI agent. This solves most environment-related inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.